Anyone can snore. There isn't a single answer to your question, how can I stop snoring? There are many causes of snoring. Research shows that snoring is most common in men. As you become older, your chances of snoring also increases. You are more likely to snore when you are in your 60s than in your teenage years. If you want more advice on how to stop snoring, please subscribe my channel. More lookbook videos are coming very soon. If you seriously want to know how to stop snoring and avoid sleep apnea, then please click the link in the description below. Your snoring could be a symptom of a serious medical condition. This article is going to inform you about some of the implications that snoring can cause to anyone who suffers from it. The article will also reveal 3 simple steps to help you to stop snoring. In addition to those factors, physical health problems could also be the underlying causes of snoring. Some of these health problems include stroke, high blood pressure, diabetes and heart attack. Snoring and other sleep disorders such as sleep apnea can also cause social and emotional problems for the people who snore and those who live with them. It is not uncommon for people who snore to be faced with relationship difficulties, which can lead to marital problems. Divorce and separation are common among couples with snoring partners. People who live with snorers have also reported their own problems, which range from anger and insomnia, which can lead to feelings of depression. Now I am going to show you ways to find an answer to your question, how can I stop snoring? First, you need to understand the cause of your snoring problem. Among the most common causes of snoring is regular use of sleeping medication, including sleeping pills and tranquilizers. Cold remedies that induce sleep can also cause snoring problems. Other causes of snoring include obesity, drinking of alcohol especially nearer bedtime, smoking and eating certain dietary products closer to your bedtime. Even common cold can trigger your snoring. In addition to these causes of snoring, the position in which you sleep at night can also make you snore. You are more likely to snore if you sleep on your back than on your side. Now that you are able to identify the most possible causes of your snoring, you can take the following steps to stop it. 1. Stop taking sleeping pills, tranquilizers and even cold remedies, especially those that can induce sleep. 2. If you are overweight, shed some weight off by engaging in simple exercises such as walking and swimming. Eat healthy diets and reduce your intake of fatty foods. Do not eat foods that contain dairy products before you retire to bed. 3. Cut down on your alcohol consumption and also take steps to stop smoking. Never drink alcohol nearer the time that you normally go to bed. If you drink at all, allow at least 3 hours before you retire to bed. The best advice is not to drink alcohol at all in the night. By taking these 3 little steps or actions, you will soon find answer to your question, how can I stop snoring? If the snoring does not reduce or stop altogether, then your next course of action is to see your doctor to seek help for your snoring problem. Click the link in the description below. If you like the video, then give the thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more information. I love you as I love myself. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.